Very good morning, children. The other day we couldn't do this matching. So today we learn this matching. Okay. So what are the pictures first? That is, you have to match picture to the letter. First we'll identify what are the pictures here. First one is an elephant, orange, an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream. So what are the pictures here? Elephant, orange, an apple, an umbrella, and ice cream. And here are uppercase A, uppercase E, uppercase I, uppercase O, and uppercase U. You have to match with the letter and the picture. What for elephant? E for elephant. So you have to match to E. Roughly, parents, you just give them the hint this. Okay, give them the practice. It is very easy. Ice cream and umbrella, apple and orange you can draw. Elephant, it may take time, but it's okay. Just roughly you draw so that the children can match this letter to picture. Next one is orange. What for orange? O for orange. Match it to O. O for orange. What is this? This is an apple. What for apple? A for apple. Match it to A. What is this? This is an umbrella. What for umbrella? U for umbrella. What is this? This is an ice cream. What for ice cream? A. No, it is I for ice cream. Match this. I. Do this. Letter to picture matching. If B is given, ball is given, you have to match B and ball. If C is given and cat is given, you have to match C and cat. So you should know from A to Z. Then first you have to know with that letter what the picture comes. A, apple, ant, alligator. Then B for ball, basket, balloon. C for cat, camel, candle. D for dog, doll. E for egg, elephant, eagle. F for what? Fish, frog, flag. Isn't it? G for gun, goat. H for house, horse, hammer, hat. I for ice cream, igloo. J for jug, jam. K for kite, kangaroo. L for lamp, lion. M for monkey, mango. N for what? N for nest, nose. M for MN. Now O for orange, onion, ox. P for what? P for parrot, peacock, pigeon. Q for queen, quilt. R for rainbow, rat, rabbit. S for sun, socks, school, sunflower. T for table, tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, vegetables. W for watch, water, wall, well. So all these cards start with W. X for xylophone, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, yak. Z for zebra, zoo. So you have to learn the letters with the pictures, so it will be very easy for the identification. Okay. Now the next one. Now what is this? Just one practice. What is this? This is B letter. Now you have to match the pictures that starts with B letter. B for ball, You have to match. Just to practice, children. B for ball, B for bat, B for book, B for bell. Okay, now next one what we learn today is we learn about after letters and before letters. So this pic I'll send today. Please practice all these letters, that is right after letter and right before letter. You practice this. C after D, E after F, G after H, I after J, K after L, M after N, O after P, P after Q, R after S, S after T, W after X, Y after Z. So A after B. You have to see what letter is this? M. M after N you should write. Before letters. Before what you write? Last year you were in which class? Nursery. Yes. So before. B. B before what comes? A. F before E, Y, X, U, T will come. T, U will say, no? P, O, M, N, L, K, Z and Y. So, today you have to practice all this. So, parents, please write down this right after letter and right before letter. You give them the practice in the classwork. Let them write after letter, before letter, and the next one is between letter. You please give them this practice. Copy down. You can see the video is clear. You can copy down all this in your child's classwork and give them the practice. So between letters, A dash B. What is this? B letter you should write. X dash Y. X dash Z. Y you have to write. E dash G. F you should write. M dash O N. Q dash R. Q R. Again in other ways after letter only it comes. U dash W. U V. So today what are the things you have to practice? Uppercase, that is you have to picture to letter matching, and you have to do the after letter, before letter and between letter, and practice uppercase A to Z, that is both uppercase and lowercase, both from A to Z you have to write in your classwork. Every day you have to do this practice. Okay, so today we have finished all these bits. Today main important thing is after letter, before letter and between letter you have to practice in the classwork. Okay, now next one is you have to write in order. Write in order means it is not correct. How will you say A, B, C, D? You say no, but how they have written? They are written C, A, D, B. So it is not correctly written. How you should write? Parents, write down. Write in order. First one, what you should write? We should write A, B, C and D. You should write in order. H, K, J, I, G. G, H, I, J, K. You know how to write in order. We'll go back here. So we'll see which letter comes first here. G will come, no? G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes? So you have to practice here and you write G, H, I, J and K. N, O, M, P, Q. M, N, O, P, Q you should write. M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, they have written wrongly. You have to write them in order. M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, so what is that? Write in order. What is that? Write in order. Practice this for the exam. So 4 bits you have to practice today. Okay children, is it clear? practice all these 4 bits. Thank you.